Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will talk about yet another RWA project, and it is going to give out the airdrop in future. The process has just started. You will also get the opportunity to participate in the pre-sale of the token of that project, and the project is quite amazing. You will know exactly why I'm saying this. So this is the project that I'm talking about. It is Lingo, and this is the world's most rewarding token according to them, and we will also find out whether it is true or not. So they will be leveraging real world assets in order to provide us the rewards into their tokens. They have created this platform in such a way that it will generate the rewards, and they have developed this gamification of real world assets. So the assets will be utilized in such a way that there will be a loop of rewards that we will be contributing in this ecosystem, generating all the fees, and that fees will come back to us in the rewards. And there is 3 billion of investors combined assets under management for them, and according to BCG, which is a really famous consulting group, there will be $16 trillion in the tokenization by 2030. So not much time is left for that, and a good amount of projects are working towards tokenization of real world assets, and this is going to be one of such projects that will be tokenizing the real world assets. And Lingo claims that it will be surprising its users with more than 3,000 plus brands across 80 countries, and they have the network of 100k plus hotels and gift card partners like the Phison app, and they would be rewarding the products of these brands like Nike's Air Jordan might be one of the reward, or the Spotify premium account, or the PlayStation, or the Netflix membership. You never know what will be the reward that you will be getting. So it's all the surprise that this particular platform holds, and this is the loop that I was talking about. The users or the community momentum will generate the trading volume, and this volume will then be utilized for the real world assets, and this will create a reward ecosystem, and the rewards will be shared among the people or the community, rather than the earlier business models where all the rewards were shared by the shareholders and just the few people or few hands. That's why the wealth was concentrated in few hands. But with the growth that I'm able to see in the crypto, it clearly shows that the wealth distribution will be better if in the coming era, only if the community takes proper advantage of it right now. So let's see some more stuff about this project, then we will move on to the airdrop section and check out how the airdrops will be working. Now over here you get the Lingo token, and you would be earning points for that, and you can claim rewards according to that. It will work like your American Express cards or any other card that gives you the membership of different stuff out there. In a similar fashion, you would be getting the membership of different rewards of different brands using this particular token of Lingo. And there are some great minds behind this project, and here you can clearly see that people from Binance, Consensus, or Google or Microsoft, or some of the biggest companies out there are working with the team on Lingo. And you can also see that some of the big names in the crypto are also there. You can also see that some influencers have also been connected with them, and this project is going to be massive in future because this project holds on the influencers is quite big. Crypto Banter recently tweeted about them, and all sort of a big crypto influencers are shilling this particular project. Now let's get into the airdrop section, and this is the airdrop section where you have to perform certain tasks right now in order to get into the reward zone, and I will be providing a link in the description, so it would be quite easier for you to participate in it and open it up. So in the first section you would have to open the Ape Rock Island. So there are basically different islands over here. 2 are still locked right now, but we are open to other 3. So we can go on the Ape Rock, and all you have to do is just connect your X account with it. It is quite easy. All you have to do is just connect your Twitter account, then you would need to provide your email address and confirm or verify your email address. After that, you will be able to claim your boarding pass for the economic class flight, and after that your next island will be opened up or unlocked. Now you can go on the next island. On this island it is a little bit tricky because you have to invite people, and just open this particular island, and here you would get your code. I will be providing my code in the description, so you can join up and help me get to the next island. So you have to invite at least 10 people, and after that you can open up the next section of this particular airdrop. So this basically gives you the upgradation to business class, and after that you can go on to the next island, and next island is where the game starts. Over here you will be able to participate in this particular airdrop of 20 million Lingo token, and let's open it up in order to check out the further details of it. So there are different cards over here, the 6 or the 7 cards, and out of those 20 million tokens of Lingo, 40% of the airdrop pool is reserved for mythical card holders. You need to perform certain activities, and on the basis of these activities you will be earning air miles, and these air miles will be unlocking these particular cards for you. And after that, if you reach to the level 7, you would be able to get into this particular 40% of the airdrop pool. So this is going to be huge, and in order to earn these air miles, you can like the post or repost or reply, basically interact with the Lingo Twitter handle, and you would be getting more rewards for promoting Lingo. So if you create a post on Twitter and tag Lingo, you would be getting more air miles or extra bonuses if they notice your content. So make sure to add the tags of Lingo, and you can access to more information over here on this page by accessing the link in the description. And this way you would be able to earn the air miles and unlock all the spins and all sort of cards over here. Now on the next one, the other islands are still locked. We still need to check them out in the future. So you are still relatively new to this particular airdrop. But in my honest opinion, I feel like the big influencers will be getting most out of this airdrop, as the whole point of airdrop is that inviting people, and the more number of people that you will be able to invite, the more rewards you will be getting. This is the whole point I am able to see currently on this airdrop. This airdrop might seem like a free one, but still you gotta work hard in order to get people to click on your link. On that note, make sure to hit on my link. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more such videos and crypto fundamental videos, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and see you in the next video.